Well, the first thing you want to do this time of year is to get outside and go look up on the roof. Make sure the gutters are clean. Make sure there's no shingles popping up or anything broken. Make sure everything's caulked and just generally looks right. Because like if the flashing, for example, is coming off the chimney or off of a dormer, that's where water gets in. And now's the time to make sure that you're in good working order, because you're not going to want to get up there or have somebody else go up there and try to fix something when there's cold and snow and sleet. And so that's really the first thing you want to do. Now, as we go inside, let's talk about the laundry room, because let's face it, that's the center of at least center of my house, because everyone's always doing laundry. So there are a couple things we can do. Small things like, changing out just different baskets, labeling different things in there, making like a folding station, changing out the lights and the hardware. But of course, what's the big thing? It's the washer and dryer. So I've teamed up with Maytag. I want to show you this set here. Let's start with this top loading agitator. It is unbelievable. It was actually rated #1 by a leading consumer magazine. It has a 5.2 cubic foot capacity. It's got something called a power wash cycle, which basically is extra cleaning action with heated water to get out anything you can throw at it, basically. And I know my kids with their sports and everything like that, this is something that I need. It also has a deep fill option, so it fills the water as high as the basket can go. And you combine that with the power wash cycle and you have an unbelievable cleaning machine. Now, of course, you have to dry it, so let's go to the dryer. The dryer's 8.8 cubic foot capacity. It holds 21 towels. That will take care of, if you have guests over the holiday season or everyone's showering, you're set to go. One basic thing I think that everyone can do themselves, painting. Right now, as the weather gets cooler, it's a great time to paint because paint dries in cool, dry weather. So crack open a window. I like to try and paint just like a 4x4 little section and leave it there for a day or two, because the paint color will change as the light changes. So you might like it, the paint color in the morning, but as it gets to the evening, you don't like the way it looks. So let it go through a day or two, and if you like the way it is throughout there, then just paint the whole thing. Now, you don't have to paint the whole room. You could just paint an accent wall. For example, if you're just going to do maybe, from holiday decor, you paint it orange or brown for the holidays or whatever. And then in the spring, you can change it. Really simple, really easy and inexpensive way to kind of upgrade your interiors. Some other places, caulking. Okay, so like around the tub and around your backsplashes and your kitchen area and stuff like that, a no-brainer. That's like an instant upgrade to your bathrooms and your kitchens, and everybody can do it.